Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. We're just continuing with the Puzzle Rush series. Now it is Black's turn to play. How could Black continue the game? From now onwards, the puzzle will be in slightly advanced level, so you might be taking some time to solve it. So please pause the video and try to think for some time. Black to play. Here they are attacking the king. So maybe we should move the king somewhere, or we could also capture them. So we should capture them. That would be the best way. And we cannot do it with the king because white pawns are coming down. So they are giving support to this rook. But we can do it with the bishop. And then should we capture this pawn or should we promote our own pawn? Which is the perfect idea. If we capture this one, let's say they will move this pawn. And if the game goes on like that, they could also promote when we make a pawn promotion. So it could be a draw. Never mind, we have a skewer. We could go here and skewer this queen. So it looks like we could take and slowly promote. What do you think? Should you push the pawn or should you take the pawn? But there is one problem. If we take this, they could move the king now to this square. Then if we start to push this pawn, now they can simply block this pawn and they could achieve a draw. So let's push the pawn quickly right now and then we will push further. We could make a queen before the opponent does. Now it is black's turn to play. How should black continue here? Here the black queen and the opponent king are in the same file, which means if we move the bishop somewhere, we could create some discovered check to the king. So how to make use of this discovered check? Where should you move the bishop so that it will be useful for a checkmate? Again, you can pause the video and try to think. Try to give a double check to the king. Here we could do that by moving the bishop to this square, that is a4. Now wherever the king moves, now we could checkmate the white king. Could you find the move which checkmates the white king? Yes, that is queen to d1. The king cannot capture us because we have a support from the bishop. Next one, it is white's turn to play. How should white continue here? This is one of the famous tactics in chess and my favorite tactics in chess. This is also called as decoy. I think we didn't learn about decoy till now, but this one is an interesting sacrifice which starts with, could you guess? There is an imaginary double attack on f6 to the king and the queen, but this is not a successful one because the knight can capture us. So what we could do is, to make this imaginary double attack, we could sacrifice our queen on e4 and then we could make a double attack. So this is like drag and fork. We can drag the opponent piece to a bad square, then we could make a double attack. This is also called as decoy tactics. Now we could capture this queen. Next, here it is black's turn to play. How should black continue here? Here it looks like the knight is not very well placed. It is towards the corner, so this knight could be trapped. And also, the opponent king is not very well placed. We could create some checkmating plans as well. So how should black continue here to take advantage of these things? Could you trap this queen could you trap this knight somehow? You can pause the video and try to think. Okay, let's start with continuing the plan for a checkmate with knight f4. Now they are defending the checkmate as well as putting more pressure on this knight. But here comes the surprise move. That is rook to e2. We could attack the queen. We can sacrifice this knight because they cannot really take this one because of the checkmate on g2. So it's a kind of a skewer. They have decided to give up the queen so we can win the queen. Next one. Now it is white's turn to play. How could white continue here? Here it looks easy because the queen and the king are in the same file. So how could white make use of this? We could give a discovered check to the king. Can you make this as a double check? Yes, we can. We can go here knight to e6. And after this one, we have a checkmate in one move. Could you find the checkmate in one move? Yes, it is moving the queen to g7 so that we can attack the king and the king cannot capture us because we have a support. So that is a checkmate. Good. I hope you understood all these things. That's all for today. See you in the next class.